To draw a rectangular duct, we are going to use the rectangular duct toolbar. With the drawing command options, we can draw all the parts of the first step. Let's start with the longest section, and then we'll continue to the end of the branch using the same command. Choose the type of network and the profile dimensions, here 900 by 700. Then right-click to choose an option, here coming from above, with a normal elbow. Extend the length of the duct in the same way as drawing a line with the line command in AutoCAD. Right-click to select an American elbow, then change the profile size to 700 by 700. Right-click to select downwards, with a normal elbow. The next elbow will also be normal. If extended a bit too far, the length can be brought back. Right-click and select Offset. Here we offset by 250 mm with a 30-degree angle, which gives us a length of 721 mm. Click OK. Click to choose the direction of the offset. Then continue drawing the duct. Finally, right-click to select a Y branch. The first elbow will be 450 mm in width, with a 45-degree angle. The second elbow's width will be 450 mm and it's kept at a 90-degree angle. Click OK. Now with one click, choose which way to continue the duct. Here it is going in the wrong direction, so I right-click to change the angle. Select Same, for the drawing to continue at the same angle as the previous part. Then click and click again. Finally, right-click to select a cap.